In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to sign up on Rainbet. First of all, you need to open your browser and go to the rainbet.com. Then you need to click the register button in the top right corner and you need to start filling the necessary gaps. You need to enter your username, you need to enter your email address, and you need to enter your password. You can also use the referral code, which is optional. By the way, you can use my personal referral code, which is George Basics, and you will get a welcome bonus on Rainbet when you sign up. So you can use my code. This is very simple. Just copy the code and paste it right here. And of course you need to tick this. So let's enter all of the details. So when you sign up on Rainbet, the next part is the verification. You need to verify your account. So for the verification, you can just simply click the wallet button in the top and it automatically redirects you to the quick verification page where you need to enter all of the details, your first name, last name, birthday, birth month, birth year, street address, city, state or province, postal code, and country. So you need to fill the exact information about yourself and you need to click to continue to wallet in the bottom. So this verification process is very quick, guys. Just fill the gaps and that's all. Then you can deposit money on Rainbet and you can start using this platform. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.